The old house was always drafty, but tonight was different. Midnight struck, chiming in the 1st of December, and an unnatural stillness fell. I was alone, reading by the fireplace, when I heard it, a faint rhythmic tapping from the attic. It wasn't the wind. This was deliberate. Tap, tap, tap. I tried to ignore it, my heart hammering against my ribs. Then a new sound joined in. A soft, scraping noise, like fingernails dragging slowly across a wooden floor, coming from directly above me. My breath hitched. I looked up at the ceiling, picturing the dusty, forgotten space. The tapping stopped. The scraping stopped. For a moment, there was only silence. Then, a single, heavy thud right over my head made me jump. I stared at the attic door at the end of the hall. It was slowly creaking open. I haven't moved since. I can't. I just sit here, listening, waiting for the footsteps on the stairs.